Hello, this is still lesson 6.5. This time, I will show you how to find the inverse of a matrix by using a graphing calculator. This calculator. I have here example number 1. I have matrix A with a 3 by 3, 3 rows, and 3 columns. I'm gonna find the inverse of, A inverse. So of course, I'm gonna have 3 rows and 3 columns also. And then for number 2, the same thing. I'm gonna find the inverse, so B inverse of this inverse, which is a 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna use our calculator. Okay, first, of course, reset the calculator. You know how to do that. Second plus 712. So your calculator is cleared. So now go to matrix, and matrix is right here. It's blue. Okay, so you see that matrix is blue. Every time it's blue, you hit for second function. So second function, matrix. And then we're going to input this information to our calculator. Therefore, we're going to go to edit. Okay, so use your cursor. Go to edit. And we're going to name our our matrix as matrix A. So it's already there. Just hit enter, and then it's asking you for the dimension. Your matrix A is 3 rows by 3 columns. Right now it's 1 by 1. So change that 3 by 3. And then start to input all the given elements. So let's do it by row, okay? Because the calculator follows that order. Alright, so 1. I'm inputting row 1. So 1. Oh, it's already 0. And then 1. Okay, and then row 2. 2. Enter. Negative 2. Enter. Negative 1. Enter. Row 3. 5. Then 0. 0. So now you have your matrix A at 3 by 3 entered 1 0 1, which is row 1, 2 negative 2 negative 1, which is row 2, and then 5 0 0. Okay, and then enter. Okay, now get out from there. So quit, then go to matrix again. Now if you look, matrix A is 3 by 3. Pick that, hit enter. You pick matrix A, which you have a 3 by 3 already, and you have now matrix A, but you want the inverse, and you know the symbol for inverse is negative 1. And if you look at this, x raised to negative 1. So if you click this, you're getting now A raised to negative 1, meaning A inverse. So hit enter. Now you're getting your first row now is, what is that? 0, 0, and 0.2. Then your second row, you have a negative 0.5, negative 0.5 and 0.3. That is your 0.3. Then your row 3 now is 1, is a 1, and then 0, and then negative 0.2. So that is now your inverse. And then of course you want to check that if you multiply a by a inverse is equals to I. Okay, but we're not gonna, you do that manually if you want. Okay, so that is example number 1. Okay, hope you understand that. Now example number 2. Example number 2, we have B is a 2 by 2 inverse, matrix. So we're gonna find the inverse of that. So clear that. So go to matrix, edit. Okay, quit right now. Go to matrix, go to B. Okay, you're in B, but you didn't input yet, right? So edit matrix B. It's a 2 by 2, and then enter row 1, which is 2, 4. 2, enter, 4, enter, and then row 2, which is 3, enter, 6, enter. Okay, quit. Go to matrix, and if you look at your matrix B, it's there, right? Okay, so get your matrix B, and then press the x raised to negative 1. This one, okay? This one right here. That's how you get the inverse. And hit enter. What does it say? Singular matrix. It's a singular matrix. That means it has no inverse. Okay, guys? So every time you see this information, error, is telling you, the calculator is telling you that it's a singular matrix, therefore it has no inverse. Alright, hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.